So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a good intro for your channel. So the first 8 to 10 seconds are very important for your video. If people like the first 8 to 10 seconds, so they will keep watching the video or they will just quit your video. So first go on the link. I will put the link in the description. So after going on that link, you will come here. So just click on open in clipmaker. So you can see here this intro. So you will need to change the text here. So go in objects and go in name, text name, and change the name and just click enter. So now you can play this video, start this video. So now you can see that the name of your channel is appearing here, and go in this tick box and you can change the quality of your video. If you make 720 pixel videos, so you can click on this. So I make 720 pixel videos, so I will select this, and here you can choose the frame rate 30 or 60, and here you can choose the length. I will recommend you guys to choose 8 seconds, because if the intro will get so too much long, so people will get bored and they will just quit the video, and just leave this as it is and come on audio plus music. If you like this, if you like the song in this video, in this intro, then keep as it is. But if you don't like the song in here, so you can change the song. So click here on this on select, and after choosing this, the song will be applied to your intro, and just leave it as it is, and then go on download and select mode. You can choose the quality of your intro here. So let's choose extreme quality, and format you can choose here. .mkb file means that VLC media player supports it. So let's select this file and start on video render. Click on start video render and click on allow. So it will take 20 to 30 minutes for this video rendering, and after that you can download this file after the rendering is completed. And after the video is downloaded, you can apply the intro to your video. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe and like this video.